Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to create a desktop shortcut for disk management in Windows 11 or 10 PC. To create a desktop shortcut for disk management on Windows 11 or 10 PC, first right click on free space on the desktop and select a new and then click on this one shortcut option. In the create shortcut wizard, all you need to type disk mgmt.msc. After that, click on this one next button. Name it disk management. After that, click on this one finish button. This will create a desktop shortcut for disk management. By double clicking on this one shortcut, you can always open disk management in Windows 11 or 10 PC. That's all about this video. Bye.